Hospitals are complex environments where every second counts and every decision can have life-altering consequences. For years, healthcare professionals have been searching for ways to streamline patient care, reduce administrative tasks, and increase efficiency. And now, they are turning to Drucare Hospital Management Information Systems to change the game. Drucare is a game changer in the hospital industry. This is what our clients say about our hospital software. Drucare is designed to simplify and automate administrative tasks such as appointment scheduling, patient registration, billing, EMR, pharmacy, labs, MIS reports, live dashboards, and many more. It also improves communication and collaboration among healthcare professionals, enabling them to share information, track instructions, monitor live dashboards, and generate reports. This metric helps in the growth analysis of hospital business. Drucare not only benefits doctors but also patients. By streamlining patient care, easy appointment bookings, monitoring digital health records, and invoices and billing, Drucare can improve the overall quality of care and patient outcomes. By harnessing the power of data, automation, and collaboration, Drucare Hospital software makes it easier and safer to provide high-quality patient care. If you're interested in our Drucare Hospital software, book a free online demo right now. Share and refer your friends and colleagues. Thank you.